Hello everyone, welcome to IUV. Today I'm very happy to join by professional printing equipment engineer from Turkey. He has a lot of experience in the printing industry and also UV curing technology. So first of all, could you please introduce yourself a little bit and tell us a little bit more about your background in the printing industry?
Yes, of course. This is Enes Yavuz. I am mechatronics engineer and I am working as a service engineer in this industry last 5-6 years, and I have been involved lots of lots of installations, lots of UV curing solutions, and lots of technical interventions.
Yes.
My background, I am basically mechatronics engineer from university, but my father has a shop regarding the plastical injection production. So I was working in this shop when I was a child. So how can I say? Already I was in the industry,
childhood.
From the childhood. In childhood it was in the plastical injection industry, but now it's a different and big industry. Now I am just improving myself in this industry.
I'm sure that you work with a lot of different equipment, also the curing technology over the years. So that makes me really curious about when did you first come across IUV?
I first come across it was 2 years ago in one of our customer supplied and system from IUV.
Yeah.
And after the installation, we saw that we met the IUV. We saw that the reliability, the stability, and the productivity was very high.
Yeah.
And apart from that, the maintenance was very easy, and that is why last 2 years our customer liked so much this system, and we saw that it's a good system.
Perfect. I'm wondering from engineer's perspective, and what do you think? What is the most important features of UV curing system?
For my opinion, the most important features is the sensor, and the second one is the modular system.
Yes.
Because of the modular system, if anything can happen in the power supplies, we can control and we can understand the issues easily, and also we can replace it easily.
It's really easy to.
But I think the first thing is the sensor completely, because it's so nice and soft. When the customers solve this sensor, they
they like it.
Pay attention the difference.
To the sensor. I think the feedback from the end users always the best proof of the production.
Yes.
Of the product performance. So far my last question is, would you recommend it?
Actually, when I talk with the end users, they are so satisfied regarding the IUV because of as I told you before, the less maintenance issue is the best issue for the operators. And when in a customer, when operators is happy, the customers are happy. That is why end users are satisfied regarding the less maintenance, and also regarding the energy saving. The customers are saving the money.
Energy is money.
Energy means money. And the productivity and stability is good, and so I absolutely recommend it. First of all, I need to appreciate it, and I need to thank you to Mrs. Judy. And she helps you out too much. Apart from that, I am happy to be here with you because I wanted to meet with you, and I wanted to work and training in here. It was a very nice meeting. It was very nice to be here.
Anyway, it's always really welcome to you to IUV, and hope you have a really good time here.
You're welcome. Always.
Thank you.